Welcome back to In the Lab with the Doc. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own lotion bar. Lotion bars are super easy to travel with and they're really easy to make. There's only 3 main ingredients and then essential oils and a little bit of vitamin E. So all of this stuff can be found on Amazon, so that makes it really easy. If you're making a larger batch, you would want to use like a double boiler, but the recipe we're making today is small, so we're just going to do it in a glass dish in the microwave. So first you have beeswax pellets, which you can get on Amazon. So we're just going to pour that in. Some refined coconut oil so it doesn't have the coconut oil scent. So then we have the shea butter. So we're just using equal parts of the beeswax, coconut oil, and shea butter. What I have measured out here is 1/8 of a cup. So before you add the vitamin E and the essential oils, you're gonna go ahead and pop this in the microwave. I'm gonna just do it in like probably 1-minute increments till it's completely melted. All right, I'll be right back. Once your beeswax, coconut oil, and shea butter is completely melted, you wanna let it cool down for a couple minutes. And then you're gonna add, it's about 1/8 teaspoon of vitamin E, but I'm just gonna add a little drop. Then you're gonna add your fragrance or essential oils, whatever you wanna use. I would start, if you're using an essential oil, I would start by adding probably 20 drops or so, and then if it's not strong enough, add more. But I'm gonna use fragrance today, so I'm gonna add about 1/8 of a teaspoon of fragrance. And then we're gonna mix it in. So you can find different types of molds on Amazon or Bulk Apothecary. I'm just gonna use a silicone mold that is for cupcakes. I had one of these at my house, so this is what I'm gonna use. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pour it into the mold. And then you're gonna let it sit till it hardens, and then we'll come back and check it out. So after about an hour, your lotion will completely harden and you can just pop it out of your mold. And so then you have your very own handmade, homemade lotion bar. So you can just rub it in between your hands and the lotion will come off onto your hands. And there you have it. Thanks again for joining me in the lab, and we'll see you next time.